Hello students, good afternoon. Students, today we are going to stick to our same chapter, that is chapter number 2, tables and hyperlinks in HTML. In this chapter, up till now we have seen the introductory part of the chapter, that is what we are going to learn in this chapter, that is table in HTML and hyperlinks in HTML. So, tables, we have started with the tables in HTML last time. We have seen that how to create a table. We have seen attributes of the table element. Today we are going to see the attributes of tr, td and th element. Okay, as there are elements for the table tag, in the same way there are as there are attribute for the table tag, in the same way there are attribute for the sub tags of table as well, that is tr, td and th element. So let's see what are the attributes that are available for tr, td and th. Okay, so the first attribute that is available in this element is align attribute. Align attribute in these tags is used for aligning your text, aligning your data in the particular direction, that is left, right or a center. Then the next attribute over here is bg color attribute. Bg color attribute means the background color. I hope that you remember in the previous lecture we have seen that the bg color attribute we have used in the table tag for giving background color to complete table. In the same way, if you want to give background color to particular cell within a table, we can use a bg color attribute. Next one is the width attribute. Width attribute is used for assigning a particular width to your column, assigning a particular width to your column. Okay, for increasing the size of your column, we use the width attribute in these elements. Now the last type of attributes in tr, td and th are row span and column span attribute. The row span attribute is used for increasing the size of the row, and the column span attribute is used for increasing the size of the column. Okay, likewise there is a definition in your book. A cell can span multiple rows or columns by using the row span and column span attribute. इसका मतलब क्या है कि रो की जो आपकी हाइट है, by using row span attribute it can be increased, and the height of your column will be increased by using the column span attribute. And now I hope that you understood all the attributes. Now let's see them practically. Let's see them practically on Notepad. Students, now we will see practically that how to use all the tags inside our tr, th and td tag practically. I hope that you understood that why we are using these tags inside our sub tags of table element. Now let's see them practically, how to use them within the particular tag. So first, going with the tr tag. In tr tag I am going to use my bg color attribute. Now this one is the bg color attribute. Okay, so I am going to use the bg color attribute in the row that is of the heading tag. Here I have given bg color attribute, and here I have to give the value. I am giving the value as red. Okay, now here I have given the value, okay, in the first row of the heading tag. After this, I want the width of my heading to be increased. So how can I increase the width of my heading? Just go in the table heading, the starting tag of the table heading, that is th tag. Go inside it and you see a attribute, that is width, and assign a width to your attribute. I am giving here value as 500. Same value I am giving in other two headings as well. Same attribute and same value I am using in other two attribute as well. So here I am giving 500 value. I want the width of 500. Okay, so I am giving width that is 500. Now what you have to do after giving all this, now my program is already saved. Last time we have saved this program with the name table.html. So for simply what I will do, I will press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+S. Now we have to see the program. So for seeing the program, we have to go in a Chrome. Okay, now this one was the output of your program that we have seen earlier when we have used the attributes of table tag. So what we need to do now for seeing the changes of the th and tr tag. Okay, the attributes that we are using tr and th tag, we want to see those changes. So how we can see those changes in Chrome? Just press F5 key and refresh your Chrome. Okay, so here I think so you can see that the color is changed, color of the heading tag is changed, the background color of the heading tag is changed, and we will increase width by more size, like I will give 1000 and Control S and just press F5. So here you can see, yeah, I have made changes in the width of the in the first heading, which is first name. So the width of the first name is increased. Okay, now we will use another attributes in another tags as well, like I will use the for tr tag I will use the in table data, we are again having a row. Okay, in that row again I will give bg color to this name, that is Kajal. Okay, I am using here bg color attribute in the second row, and I will give here color as aqua. Okay, I am giving here color name, and in the td tag I want to give alignment to name अर्चना. अर्चना नाम को क्या करना है, मुझे अलाइन करना है मतलब उसको मुझे मूव करना है इन सम अदर प्लेस, लाइक अगर वो कहाँ पे है, इट इज इन द लेफ्ट कॉर्नर, आई वांट टू मूव देम टू द राइट, आई वांट टू मूव द नेम काजल टू द right. Okay, so here I have used the alignment inside the starting tag, that is the td tag. Now I want to see the output. So how can I see the output? Just press Ctrl S to show the program and go on your Chrome and refresh it. So here you can see the color of your table data is changed. Okay, so in this way you can change the color of your table data. After that we want to see the alignment. So I have written wrong spelling of alignment, just I will correct it, and here you will see that the Kajal word is aligned to the right, because which alignment I have given over here? Right alignment. In the same way, in other attributes, if you wish, you can use the alignment attribute, and wherever you want to align your text, you can align your text at that direction. Now further, the two attributes are remaining, that is the row span attribute and column space attribute. So how we can use these attributes? Let's see. So column span attribute we will use inside a th tag. So in this th tag I am using the column span attribute, and here for spanning your column I have to give value. I am giving value as 5, and just press Ctrl S and see the output in the program. So here you can see your column got spanned. In the same way, if you want to span your row, if you want the bigger size of your row, just use the row span attribute. Here just use the row span attribute in the starting tag of th, in the starting tag, okay, of table heading, okay, that is th tag. Here I am using the row span attribute and I am giving the value same 5, and press Ctrl S and see the output. Okay, so F5. So here you can see the size of your column got the size of your row got increased by 5. So in this way we use all the attributes in our table tag. I hope that you have understood that how to use all the attributes within the sub tags, and try to solve it at home practically, and if possible and if not possible, watch the video carefully for better understanding. So thank you.